In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email account on Hostinger's hPanel. Whether you're getting started with a new project or simply need to organize your communications better, setting up your email on Hostinger is quick and straightforward. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First off, you'll want to log into your Hostinger hPanel account. Assuming you've already signed up and have your login details ready, head over to the Hostinger website. On the homepage, find the login button, which will lead you to a place where you can enter your username and password. Once entered, you'll be directed to the hPanel dashboard. Take a moment to appreciate this well-organized hub designed to make managing your sites as easy as possible. Now, let's move on to creating your email account. On the hPanel dashboard, look carefully under the various categories until you find email. Click on this and it should reveal a drop-down or a new section of options. Among these, you'll see Email Accounts. Selecting this will take you to the section where you can manage existing accounts or create new ones. With those options in front of you, look for the Create Email Account button and give it a click. This is your gateway to setting up a new email account. On this page, you'll see fields asking for specific details. You'll need to input the email address you wish to create. This could be anything you like, such as your name or a role, followed by @ and the domain you own. Next, you'll need to come up with a secure password. It's usually best to include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure it's nice and strong. Don't rush this step, as a well-protected password is your first line of defense against unwanted access. Following this, you'll see the option to set the mailbox size. Here, you can decide how much space this particular email will occupy. Depending on your specific needs and resources, you might opt for a larger or smaller size. Keep in mind the overall capacity available to you. Once you've filled in these details, all that's left is to save your settings. You might see a button at the bottom of the form, likely labeled Save or Create. Clicking this will finalize the creation of your new email account. You're almost done. Now, you have a choice to make. You can either configure this email to work with an email client if you prefer managing messages through software like Outlook or Thunderbird, or you can use the convenient webmail option that Hostinger provides. Both choices will allow you to send and receive emails effectively, and there you have it, a newly created email account on Hostinger ready for action. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to set up additional email accounts. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!